Welcome to Tech World channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to enable or disable auto brightness in your phone. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app. Now from here go to display and brightness option. And that's it. Here you can see auto brightness option. Now you may ask, how does it work? Adaptive brightness is an Android feature that adjusts your display brightness level based on the nearby lighting and your preferences. Also, it uses the ambient light sensor to make these adjustments for you automatically. So just tap here to enable auto brightness. And you can see it's enabled successfully. Now for the second method, just go to home screen and then swipe from top to bottom. And here you can see brightness option. You can also enable or disable auto brightness by tapping here. And you can see it's enabled again. And that is how you can enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.